For those that have one of the Cricut electronic cutting systems, I will share how I used the EQ designs directly with Cricut Design Space. In Cricut Design Space, select New Project and select Upload, and then Upload Image, and you can do a browse and navigate to My EQ8 images. And I will start with the double heart outline and select Open. And I can select the simple because we have high contrast colors. Select Continue. And I am going to use the background remover and just select the outside. And then select Apply and Continue. Select Cut Image followed by Upload. And then you can select the image and add to canvas. And it does come in really large, so I will fix that, but I'm going to wait till I get the second one in as well. So I'm going to do a second upload, upload image, do a browse, and this time take the double heart center, select Open, again select Simple, Continue, and I'm going to click the background to eliminate it, select Apply and Continue, select Cut Image, and select Upload. And then I can select this one and add to canvas as well. Under Operation, select the colors and change the color of the top block to a light gray. With the Controller Command key, under Layers, select both of the images and then go to Size. Make sure the lock size adjustment is turned on and change the width to 5. Select Save, type in a name. I decided on Overlapping Hearts and select Save. Since I'm going to be including this in a card, I'm going to reduce the size. So selecting both of the items, change the size to 3. Now, if you're going to do it in a quilt, you would obviously select a lot larger size. I decided to recolor so that it would be easier to keep track of things as I cut them out. When cutting out the images, it will include the rectangle outline. To eliminate that, select Contour, and then with the Controller Command key, select the two rectangles, and now you will notice that if you click away, it does not include the outline. I'm going to do that for both sets of hearts. Then select Make It, and notice that you have cuts for both the red and the gray. Select Continue, and then you can select your material. So I could do like fusible fabric, I could do cotton, I can do cardstock, and all I need to do then is select my fabric, load the material on the mat, and the system will cut it for me. And once I'm done, I can select Cancel. In the blog post, I will share 3 different cards that I designed using the cuts that I created in Cricut Design Space.